800 naira. No. Mazi Uchenna, I cannot sell that goods for you for 800 naira. No. The last I will give you that goods, you have to take that goods for 1,100 naira. Chineke, Mazi Uchenna, can you even hear what you are saying? You are asking me to sell something I bought 1,000 naira to 800 naira to you? Where is it done? No, Mazi Uchenna, I cannot sell that goods for 900 naira. It's either you sell the goods for, it's either you buy the goods for 1,100 naira or I am not selling. I cannot come and sell something I bought for 1,000 naira for you for 900 naira. Do you want me to make loss? No, I cannot make a loss in my business. I have to make a profit because I took transport to that place. Mazi Uchenna, if you are ready, come and call me so that I will sell the goods for you. Bye bye. Oh yes. I am so sorry. Abba. Oh, you should have told me you were waiting now. I didn't know you all were waiting for me. Seriously speaking, I didn't know. I thought maybe, you all are still trying to get ready. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was trying to finalize a very important discussion with a potential customer. Oh, yes. Actually, it has to do with money now. Well, like as you can see, today I am putting on a clothes. What is it right there? Box Empire. Box actually means anything that has to do with, So, Box Empire is the place to be, alright? Because as you can see in my clothes, they wrote smart and T. And smart means what? Securing more achievement responsibly together. Whilst T means together everyone achieves more. Don't worry, in our subsequent video, I'm going to tell us what Box Empire is all about. Oh, you all would want to be there. They have so many programs for children like you and I, but in a couple of days, I will let us know. But for today, we are going to talk about something very interesting. Something what? Very, very what? Interesting. And that is what? Profit and loss. What did I say? And clap for yourself now. Clap for yourself. See, I love you all. Let me not lie. I don't know, anytime I remember I'm going to do this, I'm always very, very happy. I won't lie. Okay? When I came in, I was talking on the phone. If you overheard me, I was trying to finalize a very important transaction that has to do with money. As a businessman, I have to buy goods and sell, alright? And me that is a businessman, I want to always make profit too. Oh yes, no businessman wants to make a loss. Every businessman wants to make what? Profits. Yes. And profit is the major reason why people do what? They do what? Business. So now, what is profit? I always tell us something there. Mathematics is not only something we learn just to pass exam. Mathematics is not something we do what? We learn because we want to pass exam. It is something that we learn, and even after learning it, we are going to apply it in our everyday life. Can I let you know that everything around you involves mathematics? Yes, basically everything around you involves what? Mathematics. I'll still talk about that more later. But for now, let us talk about profit and loss. That is why I'm sure you are all very, very. Hello. Before I proceed, I know what some of you are saying. I have done profit and loss before. I am not going to watch this video. Wait now, wait. Before you go out, I don't want to learn. Listen, learn first. I always tell you that even if you have done it before, still do what? Learn it what? Again. Profit and loss. Profit and loss is a topic that is very, very what? Important. Now, can I let us know that every businessman does business because of profit. Let's not even talk about, when we talk about businessman, it seems we're talking about only those that are buying and selling. I am a businessman. As long as you deal in buying and selling, you are a businessman. Whether it is direct buying or indirect buying, you are a businessman. Now, we say that what? Traders and businessmen are always concerned in the gain or loss. Gain is also known as what? Profit or what? Loss. No businessman wants to make a loss. So yes, no businessman wants to do what? Make a loss. Every businessman wants to make what? A profit in their business. Okay? In their what? Sales. Now, when a trader is someone that buys and sells. Okay? When a trader buys or sells goods, the price at which he buys the goods is called cost price. The price at which he did what? Buys the goods is called what? The cost what? Price. And the price at which he sells the goods is called what? Selling price. Now, for us to be able to understand this topic, there are some key words we need to know their meaning. There are some key words that we need to do what? Know their what? Meaning. Because they are going to help us in solving this thing. One of them is what? Profit. Profit is what? Another name for profit is what? Gain. Either they call it profit or they call it what? Gain. I wrote profit or gain and then what? Loss. We are going to talk about them one by one. But I need you to know that as far as profit and loss is concerned, we need to know how to find the profit, how to find the loss, and how to find the what? Selling price and what? Cost price. Like I said here, the selling price is the amount you bought something. If, for example, the selling price is the amount you sold something. Sorry about the mix-up. The selling price is the amount you did what? You sold something. If I sell this phone now for 20 naira, that 20 naira is called what? Selling price. The 20 naira is what? Selling price. Now, if I buy this phone or if I bought this phone for 50 naira, the bought is known as what? Cost price. In a sentence, in a mathematical statement, how can you know when they talk about the selling price? When they talk about the selling price, you will hear things like sell. You know it's selling price. But if you hear things like bought, it means what? The cost price. Now let us go further as we try to explain the topic in details. Now, what is profit? When the goods is sold at a price greater than the cost price, then the trader has made a gain or profit. What that thing simply means that if I bought this phone for 20 naira and sold it for 50 naira, that means the 20 naira is what? The cost price. The 50 naira is what? The selling price. And I said that if I bought it for 20 naira and sold it for 50 naira, I have made a profit. How you can know you've made a profit is that your selling price will always be greater than your cost price. Anytime your selling price is bigger than your cost price, just know you have made what? A profit. But if it is loss is the opposite. If I bought this phone for 50 naira and I sold it for 20 naira, I have made a loss. That means I sold it less than the amount I bought it. Loss is when the cost price is big and the selling price is small. For example, in some questions they will tell you find the profit or loss. Some questions they will never tell you they will never say go and find profit. They won't even say go and find loss. They will say find the profit or loss. When they tell you that kind of thing, find the profit or loss, it means they are trying to know whether you can use your common sense and figure out if you are going to find a profit or a loss. And how did I say you can know you are looking for profit? If the amount you sold something is bigger than the amount you bought that thing, you have made what? A profit. Let me repeat myself. If the amount you sold something is bigger than the amount you bought it, you have made what? A profit. But if you now bought it for a bigger, if you now bought it, the loss is when the goods are sold at a price less than their cost price. You have made a loss. When your cost price is bigger than your selling price, you have made what? A loss. And it has a formula. The formula for finding profit, is what? Selling price minus what? Cost price. Selling price minus what? Cost price. That is the formula for finding what? Profit. Loss, the formula for finding loss is cost price minus what? Selling price. Now, let us look into more examples as we try to solve this particular thing. Now, let us solve some examples so that we can be able to know whether we actually understood this topic or not. Now, we have 4 examples here. Solution now. Time for us to solve. Okay, now let's look at the first question here. You know, when you want to find profit and loss, the first thing you do is list out your data, list out your information. It is through listing your information that you can be able to know whether you are going to find the profit or the loss. Stay with me. Stay with me. Hope I'm communicating. Just follow me. I bought an article, say a phone, for example, for 250 naira and sold it for 300 naira. What is my profit or loss? If I have said find the profit, I say, Mr. Emmanuel has already told me the profit, let me just go and solve it straight up. But I have not told you what to do. I just told you find the profit or loss, which means I'm expecting you to tell me if you are going to find what? Profit or what? Loss. So, let's read the question again. I bought an article for 250 naira. Bought is the word. And I sold it, sold is the word, for 300 naira. What is my profit or loss? You know, I said first of all, list out your data. I said, who can remind me? Anytime you hear bought, what did I tell you bought mean? Who knows it? Anytime you talk about bought, who can tell me what it means? Oh, put your hands together for yourself. Fantastic, fantabulous, fantabulous, highly lubricant. Oh, that is why I am saying that you children are the highest mechanism in the whole wide universe. In fact, you all are fantabulous children. In fact, you all are stupendous and highly. Don't worry, I'm still coming. But I said is what? Cost price. And the cost price is what? 250. And okay, now, sold. What did I say sold is? When you hear sold, what does it mean? Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. I feel like dancing. I feel like shaking. I feel like, in fact, let me not dance. Let me not, you guys are so smart, though. I didn't even know you are playing me like this, though. No, so the sold means what? Selling price, which is what? 300 naira. So that means, then I said, what is my profit or loss? These people, they want to know whether we have sense. Boys and girls, they want to know whether we do what? We have sense. They don't question. I told us that when the selling price is bigger than the cost price, because from here now the selling price is 300 and the cost price is 250. What did I say we're going to look for? Who can tell me the answer? I am super excited. Yes? What are we looking for? Profit or loss? Tell me. Hey! These children are very, very intelligent. Oh, this year, you guys are so intelligent. Clap for yourself, Jare. Don't anybody that's not intelligent. Tell them Mr. Man said they're not serious. Alright? So what they're looking for what? The profit. So what is the formula? Profit is what? Selling price minus what? Cost price. And selling price is what? 300 minus what? 250. Isn't it? This is how you're going to write it. List out your facts. Your selling price is 300, your cost price is 250. 300 minus 50 is what? 300 minus 50 is what? 50. Your profit is what? Your profit is what? 15 naira. Clap for yourself. Lovely children. Oh yeah. I've even forgotten to say, what are those this thing? Okay, wait. When we solve the second question now, we are going to clap for ourselves like that. So number 2, let's go to number 2. Stay with me. A bag was bought at a price of 500 and was sold for 450. Find the profit or loss. See them. They want to know whether we have sense. They don't know us. They don't know us. Let us tell them that we have sense. A bag was bought at a price of 500 and was sold for what? 450. Find the profit or loss. First of all, let us list out what is our cost price. Remember that your cost price is the one that always has which one here will make you know you are looking for the cost price. Fantabulous. But is what? Cost price. And the but is what? 500. Then you also have what? Selling price. Which one do you use to know the selling price from this question now? Fantabulous. Sold. Wonderful. Sold. So that is what? 450. You know I said these people want to know whether we have sense. They want to try it. They don't know. They don't know that we are the most brilliant children in the whole world. So now, are we looking for profit or loss? Let's look at it very, very well and tell me whether we are looking for profit or loss. You know, in this case now, here the selling price is bigger than the cost price. But here, the cost price is bigger than what? The selling price. So, what are we looking for? Profit or loss? I can't hear you. What did you say again? Yes? Hey! In fact, let me give you love clap. Oh, take that kiss from me, Jare. You are wonderful. It means you are following. We are looking for what? The loss. We are looking for loss because our cost price is bigger than our selling price. That means what? The formula is what? Cost price minus what? Selling price. And what is the cost price? The cost price is what? 500 minus what? 450 naira. 500 minus 450 is what? Our loss is what? Let's write it here so we can maximize space. 50 naira. Simple and straightforward. Very easy. You guys are amazing. You guys are so amazing. That actually means that you are all following. I love that. Now let's look at the next question. See, guess what, guys? The next question is tricky. Yes. It is what? Very, very strange. Let us pay attention. Shh. Let us read. A car costs 100 naira. Hey, cost price. Cost 100 naira. Cost price. Let us write it. Cost price 100 naira and a profit. Yeah. A profit of 20 naira was made. They gave us cost price, they gave us profit here. Now wow, me sef I'm surprised though. Profit 20 naira. What is the selling price? Hey, they will say, see the kind of question Mr. Emmanuel used to ask them. Let us look, see, they said a car cost 100 naira, cost price, and a profit of 20 naira was made. What is the selling price? Normally, we are talking about loss and what? Profit. But now, they've given us the profit and they are asking us to find the selling price. Smart boys and girls, put on your thinking cap. Put on your thinking cap. Let us think. They want to try us. They don't know us. We are going to tell them that we are the smartest genius in the block. Don't mind them. Cost price 100 naira. Profit 20 naira. Find the selling price. They don't know us. Now, let me ask us. We have put on our thinking cap, abi? Alright, let us get ready to think. Now, who can tell me what we are going to do? Yes? Just try. You can do better. You can do better. You can do better. Think. What are we going to do here? They told us that loss is cost price minus selling price. So profit is what? Selling price minus cost price. But selling price, I need someone to tell me how are we going to find it? Let us think. What are we going to do? I'm listening. What? Did somebody just say, Mr. Emmanuel, we are going to do cost price plus profit? Oh my God! How did you figure that out? Really? I am so wowed right now. Really? Cost price plus profit. How were you even able to think about that? That child that got it, I am owing you something else when school resumes. Don't worry. I know you. You are the one that got the answer. Don't worry. And so from there now, we are going to say what? 100 naira plus what? 20 naira. That will give us what? 100 and what? 20 naira. That means our selling price is what? 120 naira. We can even check it. 120 minus this selling price now, 120 minus 100 will give us the profit, 20 naira. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. Very good. Now let's look at the last question. A car costs 100 naira. No, not so. We'll solve that one. A shoe. Like my shoe. Alright? Was sold for 165 naira. Selling price 165 naira. With a loss, another punk question. With a loss of what? 15 naira. Find the cost price. I believe you now. See, whenever I'm with you guys, I don't need to fear again, because people have shown me that you guys are very smart. My fantabulous children, my brilliant children, my exhilarating children, my amazing children, my stupendous children, my outstanding children, my highly lubricant and highly fantabulous children. What are we going to do here? You know, you guys told me that we are going to do cost price plus profit, which they did not even give us. So now, let me ask, who can think of how we're going to find the cost price? Yes, I'm listening. Yes. You tell us the answer. Not really, not really. We can do better. Just think. You're almost there. It means small thing. Yes, you tell us the answer. Just small things. Now we can do better than this. We are smart children. What are we going to do? Who can guess? Tell us. Who can tell us? Yes. How are we going to find the cost price? Is it bigger than us? No. You got this thing. In fact, we are going to solve it. So who can tell what we are going to do? Wait. Who was that person that said selling price plus loss? I heard it from the background there. Who said selling price plus loss? You know what? You that said selling price plus loss, after watching this video, put your name in this comment section. I'll call you. Put your name in the comment section. I am owing you something fantabulous. That's amazing. This my children. You are all very smart. This my children. You are all very smart. This my children. You are all very smart. This my children. You are all great mathematicians. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You all are the greatest mathematician on the surface of the earth. Yes. So, we're going to do what? Selling price plus what? Loss. Now, what is the selling price? 165 naira. So it's going to be 165 naira plus what? 15. So when we add it here, 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Bring that what? 8. So we're having what? 180 naira. So now it is established our cost price is what? 180 naira. Put your hands together for yourselves. That was lovely. That was amazing. So you guys have told me now that you all understood profit and loss. Don't worry, I'm going to give us class work on this. So I'm waiting for the time that will get 100 over 100. Yes, I'm going to give us class work on this. So you are going to copy your notes now, okay? After copying your notes, I will just let me know you are done. I will send you the link for you to go and do what? Your class work. After doing your class work, let's know who is going to get it. In our next class, we're looking at something fantabulous. Yes, in our next class, we're going to look at something fantabulous and it's still on profit and loss. You don't want to miss it. We're looking at this one is part 1. Profit and loss part 1. We're going to look at profit and loss part 2 in our next class. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. My fantabulous children, my wonderful children. See you that smiling. Go away, Joe, because I'm calling you fantabulous children and not smiling. Go away. Anyway, don't go anywhere. I'm just joking. You all are fantabulous children. You all are making me proud, and you all are so amazing. I will see you in our next class. Keep watching, keep learning, and don't forget to do what? Stay safe. COVID-19 is what? Real. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. See you.